Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can connect Namecheap's cPanel emails to Outlook so that you don't have to actually open this round cube or webmail website every time if you want to see your emails inbox. Instead you can open it directly in Outlook on your Windows or Mac machine. So let's begin the video. Here I have opened the cPanel and my hosting is from Namecheap, just for your information. And in the last video I have showed you how you can make emails in cPanel if you have bought your hosting from Namecheap. So if you don't know about that, I highly recommend that you watch that video first. Anyways, in this video I have this email info@wasaysource.com, and currently if I want to access these emails, we have to actually go to our domain /webmail and then we can view our emails. Now if you want to view these emails on any email client like Outlook, then let me show you how you can do that. First of all, log into your cPanel email, whichever you want to connect with Outlook. Most probably you will get this email from cPanel. So it will have important information like your username, the password that you have set it up, your incoming server IMAP port which we are going to use, then your outgoing server SMTP port, because all of these things are necessary. Once you have noted down all of these things, now we can actually open Outlook. Here enter the email of your cPanel that you want to connect. So in my case it's info@wasaysource.com. Click on continue. Make sure that IMAP is selected on the top. If it is not, click on provider, select IMAP, enter the password of your email, click on continue. We are going to click on continue and it will sync with the cloud. Once logged in, on the top click on settings. Here you will see your account, click on manage. Scroll down and you will see the IMAP configuration and the SMTP configuration and cross validate them with the email that you received. In my case the host name and port are incorrect for SMTP, so I am going to click on repair. I am going to enter my password again. I am going to scroll down, and in my case or in your case, basically the outgoing server will be your domain name. In my case it's wasaysource.com, and in my case the port number which I received was 465. Secure connection type is this. Enter the same password, click on continue. It will add it and now we can close it. Now I will send an email to this email address from another account, and here you can see I have received my email, so which means that the email setting has worked successfully. I can also reply back to it. Obviously the time is not correct, maybe I need to fix the time settings from cPanel, but yeah guys, this is how you can do it. So guys, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like it. If you have any questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.